their life cycle on their paper plate, who can tell me and remind their friends what the first stage of the life cycle is? Stefan?
The first stage of the life cycle is when the mother lays the eggs on the leaves.
The mother lays the eggs on the leaves. So egg, that's our first stage. Who can remind us of our second stage, Nellie? The caterpillar, thanks. And Carson, you want to tell us our third stage?
The chrysalis.
The chrysalis, that's right. And Jesse, do you know the fourth stage?
The butterfly.
The butterfly, you got it. Okay, so all of you went back to your desks and you wrote one of your 4 facts that you took from the life cycle book you read on Friday, and you wrote it on a sticky note. I have a couple that I'm going to read. We have the female butterfly lays an egg on the leaf. So that's an interesting fact that we learned. We have, there are some butterflies that camouflage. Did anyone else read that part in the book? Yes. That was a pretty exciting page as well. I'll read one more. Monarchs travel in big groups called flocks. That's a pretty interesting fact too. Okay, so we're about to get our butterflies. We each are going to get 2 butterflies, and before we do that, we are going to pass out these books called The Life Cycle of the Painted Lady Butterfly. That's the type of butterfly you will be watching grow. So in your packet, there's going to be an observation calendar. You're going to be coloring each day, whichever day of the week is. And you are going to be, if the caterpillar, you color caterpillar boxes red, we will start on our Monday, because today's a Monday, you color the whole box red, because you'll get a caterpillar, right? So if the caterpillar was a caterpillar all week long, we color every single box red. When it changes into a chrysalis, we'll start coloring it a different color. And then finally, when it changes to a butterfly, we'll color it with a 3rd color. So your first job is to pick a color for each caterpillar, chrysalis, and butterfly. You're going to color those in. And you're going to color your first Monday box the color of the caterpillar. After you do that, you are going to get your your caterpillar. And your job is to fill out the arrival day. On your arrival day sheet, it says, what date did the caterpillar arrive? What's our date today? Carson?
The 22nd.
I think it's actually the 24th today. So you write the date 3-24-14. Then you get to choose your caterpillar's names. Everyone has 2 caterpillars, so you get to come up with 2 names that you want to name your caterpillar. And as you're observing your caterpillar, you'll have a magnifying glass and a tray that you can watch your caterpillar crawl around on. And then you can draw an observation of your caterpillar in that box below. Does that make sense? Carson, do you have a question?
I have 2. Can we cross off Saturday and Sunday?
Yes, if you would like to.
Do we use markers?
I would like you to use crayon or colored pencils because these pages are kind of thick. Can I help you? Do you have a question?
If it's going to be on a tray and we climb around,
It's a deeper tray, so it'll be fine. And we have sticks that you can use. If you don't want to use your fingers, that's fine because we have sticks that you can use to kind of move them from tray to cup. Nellie?
What is it? The first page of the butterfly book said painted.
The first of this?
Yeah, what is it?
That's the type of butterfly that we are watching grow. Stefan?
I want to ask that, what do caterpillars eat?
What do they eat? They eat leaves, and right now they also eat a different type of food that you will get to observe a different day. Different day we're learning all about food, and it's a squishy kind of material that you'll see inside of your cup. Inside of your cup you have 2 caterpillars and caterpillar food at the bottom. Stefan?
I want to ask that, in the book it says about what caterpillars eat. It's some kind of like a plant.
Yeah.
So when I went at a farm, we were chopping those down, and if we would touch it, it would be itching.
Okay, well, and we're going to spend a whole day on caterpillar food so you'll learn more about it. Kate?
It says in the book they eat milkweed.
Milkweed, they probably do.
That's what we're talking
All right, so I'm going to pass out your Painted Lady Butterfly observation books, and your first job is to fill out your first page with colors and color in the Monday for it being a caterpillar. Your second job is to fill out the arrival day. Right now you can go back to your desk. And we'll be passing out the caterpillars as you work. Carson. Kate. Vanessa. Jesse. Thanks for waiting quietly. Thanks, school, for waiting quietly. Connor.
Everybody only needs one.
Is there a reason why? Here, I'll give some of the third graders because we got extras now. Some other people have kids. My kid has two. You're not supposed to. Why did you only have? We had I'm gonna come at caterpillars. Oh, there you are.
Trey.
I'm gonna call this one right here. I'm gonna call this.
Okay, I'll pass out your tray, your stick, and your magnifying glass when everyone has started working on their observation book.
What's a good name for him? Which second grader does not have one of these?
Your front cover, just write your name on the front cover.
What are they doing? The brown stuff. No, I'm asking. Who didn't have
Sit
it?
down and do your job. Grab up your whole book. None of your friends are doing this right now. I will pass the sticks, the magnifying glasses, and the trays out when everyone is working. All I want to see on the front page is your name. Yeah, there's two in there. Any color you want. Not right now. Right now I want you working on your observation book.
My two caterpillars are for how about you just lift up
When you are ready and you have filled in the first calendar part of your book, you can take, Connor and Stefan, I really want to explain to all of you how to observe your caterpillar, but everyone needs to have their listening ears on. When you have filled out this first page of your calendar observation, when this is done and you've colored in the Monday, you can carefully take the cap off of your caterpillar cup.
Oh, I don't get it.
Carefully take the cap off. You can use your stick and you can kind of push your caterpillars into the tray. If you don't have your tray and stick yet, wait until I come to bring them to you and then you can begin.
So
You're going to color in Monday.
who's gonna be whose? I have 3 of these stickers.
Because that shows us
Well,
that we are
mine
observing
are
a
like black
caterpillar.
and
That today, on Monday, he's still a caterpillar, right?
I got 3. Oh, mine's moving. So now what can I do?
Open it.
Today's the 24th.
Who remembers that we used to have fishes and things that you stick on your hands? If you do that, it's gonna hurt.
I asked you guys if you're ready. Yep.
Oh look, mine just came down. No, it didn't. It's just going under and mine's going.
What are you doing?
It's heavy.
What are you doing?
I am
What?
making putting the caterpillars in this tray.
Okay. Okay, Stefan,
I was eating food.
Stefan, what is your directions? Your directions were to fill in your calendar before you record.
I don't want to just two sticks.
Wow.
You must think that you forgot what to do.
Yeah, if he has his card, then we can.
We don't have time.
Oh,
You're gonna use it with your fingers? My two caterpillars
I have two of
these.
as you are observing your caterpillar, you can draw an observation picture in your caterpillar book.
Hey, don't do that.
Yes.
And she's supposed to do that.